farm, there are two girls playing near a barn named Bethany and Natalie. All of a sudden, Bethany's mom called out. My goodness, there's a big dark cloud heading right towards us. Bethany, Natalie, gather the animals up into the barn. The sky is getting dark. There's going to be a big storm. Hurry! Rocky, go get the babies! It's a herd of sheep over the fence and behind the trees. There's a stick for you. Let's get the pigs first. They're pretty slow, you know. Come up, boy. Next, Natalie placed the rabbits into a little red wagon and took them inside the barn to their cage in the corner. Bethany rounded up the kittens. Look, cozy little rabbits. Come, kitty, 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 come, kitty, kitty. Come, kitty, 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 come, kitty, kitty. Natalie, let's go get the cow now. How do we get the chickens? Like a chicken, flap your arms like this and make clucking noises. Girls chased the chickens into the barn with their flapping arms and clucking noises. They checked to make sure all the animals were safely tucked away in the barn, but as they soon came back out, Natalie noticed something. Those are martins. Let's put some peanut butter on our sticks and roll them into birdseed to lure them inside the barn. Bethany and Natalie smeared peanut butter on the sticks and rolled them in bird seeds. Here, birdie birdies! Here, there's some yummy seeds! Don't make this right away! Let's try one more time. Here, birdie birdies! Here, there's some yummy seeds! The girls tried more several times, but the birds could not understand. Finally, they gave up and went inside the house. Okay, let's go inside. Thank you, girls. Here's some cookies for your hard work. Mom, we can't get the birds to go in the barn. Do you think they'll die in the storm? Maybe Jesus will save them? I'm so glad that you know about Jesus, Natalie. Really? I just hear that Jesus saved from a lot of those TV shows that my grandma watches. So I guess he saved me from bad stuff, like storms. Not quite like that, Natalie. Although he does have the power to save us from storms, he saves us from a lot more. You had a hard time making those birds understand the barn would be a safer place for them? Well, it is a lot like that with man, because man does not know how to save himself either. What do you mean? Man doesn't know how to save themselves from a storm? No. Man's storm means the eternal separation from God. Man just couldn't understand God's plan. You mean how to get in heaven? Yes, you could say man's barn is heaven, where God is. God took the form of an ordinary man through Jesus, his son, so he could tell us his plan for our salvation. The only way we can be saved is through believing and trusting in his son. That's the only way. Wow! I definitely want to be in heaven with Jesus, especially when it's a storm like this. All right, Natalie, we can arrange for that. But Mom, how will those birds outside survive? We can't become birds for them to understand us. Birds were created with wings. I think God made them that way so they can fly to safety at times like this. I guess that's God's plan for their salvation. That's so special. I wish I had wings too. You were created in the image of God, and that is pretty special. Image of God? What do you mean? Girls, now that's another story. For now, enjoy your cookies. Hey, by Floating's Head Production. Wait, my feet are being we can't get the birds to go in the barn. You think they'll die in the storm? Miley, come over here. Jerry, I just knew that beat the same time. Into the halfway. Into the halfway. Practice shot. Practice shot. Wait, let's take a test. Squawk, 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 squawk.
Okay.
We killed the bird! No! Whoosh! Ah!
Woof woof.